A lot of people really love home improvement shows, and I do too. I love watching the makeover of a room from start to finish. That's pretty much a dream because it really doesn't come together quite that fast, and it's not that easy. Interior design is a very intentional process. It takes a lot of consideration for textures, balance, color coordination, fabrics, everything that has to go into that room to make it fit well. That's where asking a professional is very helpful in narrowing the selections, making sure that they do fit and why. That's what I would tell somebody who's trying to do it themselves is you might be in for a lot more work than you ever imagined.